What's up guys, welcome to AStar Insight, the place where you get an insight into how to win on YouTube. Now, first things first, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a thumbnail, or how I make my thumbnails on this particular channel without using Photoshop, yes, so it's for free, using a website called iPicky. Now if you're here from my main channel, you'll notice that I do different type of thumbnails for those type of videos. So if you want to see those type of thumbnails, like, you know, with the whole reaction video type of theme, then let me know in the comments down below and I can make a video for that. But today we're going to be doing the type of thumbnails I do for this channel, okay? So if that's what you're here for, then stay tuned. I'm going to teach you everything with regard to the dimensions, the actual dimensions the thumbnail needs to be in, to how to, you know, make a contrast between yourself and the background, how to add nice words that pop, and a bit of advice in terms of, like, you know, how many words to put in a thumbnail, the designs to put in your thumbnail, okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to be going through in this video. So first things first, let me share my screen. By the way, make sure you're listening very carefully, yeah, because the advice I'm giving you, you need to listen to every single part of it, okay? Don't skip, okay? So what I would recommend is if you do this at either at the beginning or at the end of the video you're filming, okay? Because the thumbnail matches the video, okay? And you'll understand in a second. But what I want you to do, and by the way, don't use pictures for your thumbnails. Do it whilst the camera's rolling. Pose whilst the camera's rolling, okay? So for example, I want you to do your thumbnail pose. It could be whichever part of the camera you want, but for me, I kind of like to be on the side a bit. I do my little point, you know, a little smile. And there you go. I'm gonna use that. Don't worry about how I did it, okay? But I'm gonna use that I'm gonna use that photo that I just took, yeah? I didn't take it, I filmed it. Just cool editing. But I'm gonna use that photo I just took, yeah? And that's what we're gonna edit to make the thumbnail, okay? And I'm actually gonna use, just to prove to you that this is how it works this well, I'm gonna use that photo for the thumbnail for this video. So the video you've clicked on right now, we've made this thumbnail here and now. I know it's magical, yeah, I know, but don't worry, okay? This is just cool editing. Now, I'm gonna open that. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna go on iPicky, click open, yeah? And then you go to my computer, yeah? And then I find the screenshot. And then you open. And there it is. By the way, okay? In order to get this, like I said, when you're editing your video, you've done the pose, yeah? Whatever pose it is, you've done it either at the beginning or the end. So the beginning, before you start the actual video, or at the end, after you finish, okay? So you need to go to that part of the video whilst you're editing it, click on that part, full screen, and then screenshot, okay? Because those will be the perfect dimensions. It's better than taking a photo because the dimensions are wrong. The dimensions you want are 1280 to 720, okay? 1280 to 720. Those are the perfect dimensions for YouTube thumbnail. I'll repeat it again. 1280 to 720. And if you do that, that's exactly what you'll get here. So this photo here that you can see on screen is 1280 to 720. Now, let's make it look cool, because although you could probably use this as a thumbnail, we need to kind of add some spice to it, you know, a bit of va-va-boom, okay? So the first thing I'm going to choose to do, and there are a lot of options for you guys. There are quite a few options for you guys. Today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a bit of a tint, because that's what I actually do in my thumbnails. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we're gonna add a bit of a tint. So here it is, color tint. Let's go for, so we'll go for like a red purpley kind of, I don't know what color you'd call that, but that's what we're gonna go for, okay? And let's see, you can change the fade to how much you want it to show. So I'm gonna just go for a bit of a tint, a bit of, you know, a little bit of a tint. But now's the main part, guys. Concentrate, focus, yeah. Effect mask. brush size, it doesn't matter at this point, but it's the hardness. You need the hardness to be 100%. Okay, at this point, you then start coloring in yourself, okay? So that you can go back to your original color and your clothes can go back to the original color. That way, you will be normal and the background will be the only thing with the purple tint. Now maybe there is an easier way to do this, but this is the only way I know. So this is the way I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So as you can see, I'm going back to my original, the way the picture originally looked. But just me though. Not the background, just me. Okay? Look at that, just me. You make the brush size a bit smaller, you zoom in, right? And then you start off the parts you missed. Now, how's that looking? There we go, look at that, that looks great. That looks fantastic. It looks like I had purple lighting in the background and it wasn't, I don't know, it just looks great, innit? So then you click apply, yeah, and that part's done. Now over to the next part. And again, you can get creative and you can kind of do the words however you want, with whatever type of font, but this is how I like to do mine, because this is how I do my thumbnails, yeah? So, I like to get a box like this, tilt it a bit, and then I duplicate 3 times. Duplicate, and then duplicate, and then watch. But what basically happens is it creates more than one. Yeah. So there should be another one there. Thank you. That. Another one there. Thank you. Like that. Okay? Great. So far, so good. Yeah. So far, so good. Just rearrange them. And again, you can, guys, be creative. Be as creative as you can be, but just don't overcomplicate it. Yeah? It's still gotta look good. So make this one black. Make this one go for white. And I'll make this one black again. And we'll go for yellow. Maybe something like that actually. Do I like that? Maybe make this one grey. Yeah. Something like that. And look, you can if you want one box to be on top of the other, for example, there's this option here. So bring forward, and there you go. Bring forward. So you can bring things forward, you can bring things back. Yeah, that's how you do it. Very easy feature. Next up is the text. Press the T over here, add text. The font I want to use, and I do use for these thumbnails, is called Bangers, I believe. There it is, Bangers. So if you want to use the same font as me, this is where you get it from. You kind of want to line it up as well with the box. Yeah, just like that. Line up with the box. And now I'm going to write what I want to write. So, let's do capital letters. How to make a, and then I put that in the first one. Let me make sure you guys can actually see it. How to make a, there you go. Yeah. Nice and big, fits in. And now because I want them to all be consistently the same size, I'm going to do the same thing as before and duplicate. Yeah? But this time, it's going to be in black. Just a bit. How to make a YouTube okay, there we go, YouTube. Just like that. Next one. And again, duplicate, right click duplicate, okay, just in case you can't. I just realized you probably don't know what I'm doing, but I'm right clicking. You line it up with the box yet again. Thumbnail. Guys, this is an exclusive for you guys, because this is a thumbnail I'm actually gonna use. I'm creating the thumbnail as we speak. The thumbnail for this video, I'm creating it as we speak, yeah. And you know what? I changed my mind about the color of this one. I want to make this one. I want to go for hot pink. Yeah. And now, so I could leave like that if I wanted to, but I just want to exaggerate my point for the viewers, for the people who have clicked on this video. This thumbnail is a big reason as to why I clicked on this video. So clearly, hopefully I've done something right, okay? And you can go onto Google and you can download the photo, you can download logos or whatever, icons or pictures or whatever you want to add to the picture. But make sure you click transparent. For example, this Instagram one that you can see, which is for another video, this Instagram logo, the background is transparent, so it's just the logo there, okay? But anyways, that's not the point. I want the Photoshop logo on this occasion, so I'm gonna find that, because I know I did download that at one point. There it is, Photoshop. Open. I'll put that here. Yep, like that. But this time, I'm going to put a cross. No stress. Put X there. Make it bold. Make it red. Make it look like a cross. Put it next to the Photoshop. Make it big so people can see. No Photoshop. No need for Photoshop. I'll just put it like that. And that's it. Thumbnail made. Done. So then you apply. Yep. Flatten, apply. And then you save. Highest, just to make sure that, you know, it's the highest resolution. And the quality is as good as it can possibly be. And you save to my computer. I'll save it to my desktop so it's easy to find when I upload this video that you're watching. Yep, and then you can close video or edit, but that part's not really important. And there it is. Just like that. Very easy. Now again, guys, I can teach you how to do other tricks on iPicky, such as kind of cutting yourself out. I know you've seen a lot of YouTubers cut themselves out, put themselves on another background, right? Kind of like what I do in my reaction videos. So again, if you want that video, let me know in the comments down below, and I can make that for you, because again, this is a YouTube starter pack. So for anyone starting YouTube or at the beginning of their YouTube journey, this playlist will help you. There's so many features in this playlist that can help you in terms of having everything you need to now start making good content and growing your channel, okay? And this is just one of the pieces to that puzzle. So yes, guys, this is the how to make a YouTube thumbnail for free. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please hit the like button, comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see, and subscribe. I'm gonna be on this journey with you guys with this second channel, and I'm gonna show you guys how to grow the channel. That will come later down the line, okay? But I'm gonna use this channel as proof, as evidence. And as this channel grows, I'm hoping you guys will grow with it, okay? But yeah, make sure you subscribe and you keep up to date with all the videos I'm uploading. And we'll leave it there. So, thank you. Until next time. Peace.